Hello, I'm Charles with Colorado Springs Hypnosis. I'm a hypnotist and an astrologer. I wanted to talk about some of the offerings that I'll be offering at this upcoming yoga retreat. First of all, I'll be offering hypnosis sessions. I'll be offering past life regression, which is an experience where we take you into past lives you may have lived, and also emotional release sessions, which can allow you to pretty much let go of whatever you may need to let go of. On the astrology side, I'll be doing natal charts, which will help you better understand yourself a little bit, and you can even kind of ask some questions about some aspects of your life and maybe get some clarity. And if you're coming with a friend or a loved one or something like that, we can even do a couple's relationship chart, and we can compare the two of your energies and how you interact with each other. If you do have any questions, feel free to visit coloradospringshypnosis.com /yoga retreat, and we'll have more information there. And of course, you can reach out to us if you'd like. Thank you. Goodbye.